We are here at the Pieology Pizzeria, and there's our garlic bread, and Matt is preparing our pizza. Hi Matt. Hey. So this is house red sauce, and with the he puts a pesto sauce. Wow. Here we go with the mozzarella cheese. A little bit parmesan. So all no meat options, so you can put all vegetarian. Yeah, except mushroom, you can put everything. Yeah.
What is this?
So we got
artichokes.
No artichokes. No artichokes. So
Red onions, green peppers, red tomatoes, spinach, cilantro, basil. ये डालें jalapenos और banana.
Olives. No, that, yeah.
Cilantro and basil as well.
So you want to get started?
And in pickle.
What was that?
This is garlic.
Yeah, a little bit.
And in this olives.
And olives.
Pineapple.
No pineapple. No.
Roasted red peppers, corn.
Roasted red peppers.
Yeah, roasted red peppers.
Corn भी डलवाइए.
Corn?
A little bit corn.
Corn?
Little bit. Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. How's that? Good?
So here, this is Pieology. Wow.
Just the two pizzas, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
One pizza and one garlic bread.
One pizza and one pizza, right?
Yeah.
1466 will be your total. That's ready to go.
Yep. Okay, 1 second. Wow.
Live on YouTube?
Yeah.
Facebook Live?
No, on YouTube.
Live?
So, not the live, but on my channel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you like a million subs? How many subs?
It's not the million, 10,000s.
Wow.
Shurish Kataria.
Wow.
So we, yeah.
Right here, Pieology. Pieology is the best.
Nice to meet you guys. Have a good one.
Hi, I'm Guy B.
Yeah.
Instagram, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we are here at the Pieology, and I got some friends, some fans here, and I like this place. So